In this video, I'll show you some features that make working with TransStock more efficient and enjoyable. Last price. TransStock uses end-of-day data, showing the closing price of the previous trading day. However, it's also helpful to know how the stock is performing during the current day. To do this, click on Last Price in the status bar. The current candle will appear between two vertical triangles, letting you know if the stock is rising or falling. Plot style. Sometimes it's useful to change how the price chart is displayed. For example, to see trends more clearly with Heikin-Ashi, or to better understand the relation between the previous close, open and close with hollow candles. You can choose from 6 different chart types in the toolbar. Auto trend lines. Drawing lines to identify trends is essential for technical analysis. You can manually add trend lines using annotations, but TransStock can automatically generate them for you. Depending on the period, red support lines, green resistance lines, and black former trend lines are displayed. A second click shows the parallel lines to reveal the channel. Quadrants. This feature overlays your price chart with 4 quadrants, where strong stocks appear in the green quadrant. The horizontal white zone often highlights key areas of support or resistance, making it a simple yet powerful visual tool. For deeper insights, try analyzing the stock across multiple time periods to spot consistent trends. Volume. Volume is one of the most important indicators. Rising volume often signals the start of a new trend. Click on the volume button to quickly see how volume is behaving. Ticker. Want to quickly look up a stock? Simply type the ticker in the box. As long as you haven't selected a stock from the right panel, the ticker box stays active. Type part of all of the ticker and select the stock you're looking for. Zoom in, out. Need a closer look at part of the chart? Here's how to zoom in. Move your mouse to the starting point, then click and hold the left mouse button. Drag the mouse to the right to select the area. Release the left mouse button. To zoom out, just do the reverse. Hold the left mouse button and move the mouse slightly to the left. Release the button. Enjoy these tricks and continue exploring TransStock. Good luck!